one of the easier subjects to understand is multiplication of monomials. And we're going to start off with not just teaching you the rule, understanding the rule. I'm a great believer in students understanding what they learn instead of memorizing. So based on that, let's look at what I have. What is 8 times 4? 32. No problem. Can I look at 8 as being 2 to the 3rd power? And I can look at 4 being 2 to the 2nd power. And I know 32 is 2 to the 5th power. So let's look at what I have here. This is really 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I know it's overkill in having you understand this, but let's look at it again. What happens if I said x to the 4th power times x to the 3rd power? Well, let's look what we have. Isn't this the same thing as x times x times x times x times x times x times x? What is this really? X to the 7th power. Now, using these two numbers, is there a way to get 7? Sure there is. X, 4 plus 3. So what's the rule? xm times xn is equal to xm plus n. Now, what I'm going to do right now is just do 2 or 3 additional problems just to show you, because all of these are not this clean, because you get things that look a little different. Let's say I gave you 5x to the 3rd times 3x to the 5th. Well, I'm going to first do it the long way, and then I'm going to do it the short way, of course. This is 5 times x, 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 3 times x, and you multiply. And don't forget, when you multiply, commutative law holds. So 5 times 3 is 15, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is x to the 8th power. So what I can say, 15, 5 times 3, and now look what I have, x, 3 plus 5, which is 15x to the 8th. And I will do one more example, as easy as you think this may be already. Let's say I said 3x to the 3rd, y to the 2nd, times 2x to the 3rd, y. Do you think the rules change because it looks more complicated? No. It just looks more complicated. Let's look what I have. Again, I'll do it the long way, and then we'll go through the shorter way. This happens to be 3 times x, 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 y, y, times 2, x, 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 y. Let's look what I'm left with. 3 times 2 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x's. X to the 6th power. Y, y, y. Y to the 3rd power. Notice when you're multiplying right now, monomials by monomials, there's no plus sign here. We'll discuss that at a later time. But right now there's no plus sign, and all I'm doing is multiplying. Thank you.